My name is Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be diving into the crypto bubble map. We're also going to be having a look at TG.Casino because this is obviously a massive pre-sale. It is a #1 Telegram casino. So if you guys have heard of Unibot, for those of you guys who don't know, Unibot is a cryptocurrency that you could trade through Telegram. You don't need anything. All you need to do is import your private seed from MetaMask, or actually they give you your own private seed and you actually could export that to MetaMask. And of course, if you guys have never heard of BananaBot and all these cryptocurrencies, then you could essentially do that and trade all through Telegram, which is fascinating in my opinion. Imagine doing that with WhatsApp. And Telegram is obviously the future. It's going to be massive in the next bull market. It's going to be huge. If you guys know how to leverage Telegram in the next bull market, you could probably make a lot of money. I know a lot of people talk about Discord, but you could actually make a crap ton of money. But let's have a look at the crypto bubble first before we talk in about TG.Casino. We could see that in the past day, the crypto bubble has been quite well. You could see Gala is up 7.5%. We know we talk a lot about Gala on the channel. Chainlink's up 7.5%, 6.5%, up $15.14. And that's the current price Chainlink is currently traded at. SNX is up. In the past week, we have a little shaky week towards the end of last week on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been consolidating. Overall, nothing too crazy, sitting at $37,000 in the past week. We did have some crazy bumps here and there, but overall in the past month, Bitcoin is increasing at a very nice pace. But this is obviously not the best pattern we want to see obviously for Bitcoin. I would like to see in the past year it's looking beautiful, but of course in the past month I would like to see a better and more aggressive breakout right here happening. So that's what's happening right now for Bitcoin. That's what's happening right now for crypto. The whole crypto bubble is looking great overall in the past month. In the last 28 days, things are looking fantastic with Solana and CAS up 180, 122%. Obviously, we got already up 400%, over 400%, traded at $22 and $81. We're gonna have to see what happens with that. Keep an eye on this one. The market cap is still quite low, sitting at under $500 million. Chainlink's up 100%. Things are obviously looking better than ever. If we have a look at TG.Casino, guys, we're gonna be having a look at the tokenomics, how it works, the pre-sale benefit, staking ward, how you could essentially buy. So right here, TG.Casino is your exclusive place for online anonymous crypto gambling, fully licensed and 100% safe. Join us today. So you can see right here, if you go ahead and check the verified license, they've been actually verified by MIBS Nevada. For those of you guys who don't know who they are the gaming service provider for Nevada. You could play slot machines, all these gaming games that are casino related pretty much through them. And as you guys know, Nevada, Las Vegas is the leading gambling probably in the world in my opinion. So TG.Casino is your exclusive place for online gambling and anonymous crypto gambling, fully licensed and obviously 100% safe. 25% cash back on losses when betting TGC token. Okay, so this is the TGC token right here. They raised $2,656,000, $550, and you could see right here, you could buy now before the price increases. The current price is currently sitting at 16 cents. The final goal is sitting at 5 million. So they raised half of the final goal right here. The next price increase that will happen in 1 day, 18 hours. You could buy with Ethereum USDT. You could even buy with BNB. Now, a lot of people, have been seeing that Ethereum has been increasing drastically at a drastic pace. So obviously gas fees will be higher. So if you will be buying with Ethereum, you need to check gas fees and you need to see if it suits your criteria, because a lot of people, what they'll be doing is they'll essentially be buying 100 worth of TG.Casino or TGC, and what they're gonna do is they're gonna spend $30-$40 on gas fees, and then to claim it they'll have to spend another $20. So at that point, or in this case, if you will be putting $100, it's probably best to do with BNB USDT or just BNB itself. But if you're putting $4,000, $5,000, then maybe these fees, and you don't care about fees, right? Even though you could still avoid and get an extra 1 to 2% if you're playing with $5,000, then of course you could buy with BNB as well. And you could see that the current staking right now is currently sitting at 217%. That is the staking APY. So how do you buy it? You obviously need a Trust Wallet account. You need a MetaMask account. All you have to do is deposit your funds or deposit your ETH or BNB on that MetaMask account. And then once you do that, you could essentially follow the steps and then you would essentially be able to buy. And you could see, guys, right here, it's been featured on CoinSpeaker, Cointelegraph, Crypto News, CoinSearch, and Crypto Season. I believe this is another news network that is not English. So benefit of buying TGC in pre-sale, there will be another opportunity to get TGC for a better price than during our pre-sale. Here are some of the benefits. So you could get special reward. Pre-sale buyers are rewarded exclusively when they play in the casino. There will never be a better time to purchase TGC than during the pre-sale. Become a high roller, invest $5,000 USD in TGC pre-sale for exclusive NFT post-launch reward. Start earning today. Purchase pre-sale tokens, start staking for instant passive reward right away. So how does it work exactly? A lot of people are talking about the staking and how can they make money and how can they increase and improve and how will they get money. So you see, this is a TG.Casino right here. They will be doing a 40% burn. Price will go up. Obviously, you'll be making money like that. Number two, staking incomers. Stake 60%. Okay, so first of all, some of the profits, we know casinos, they're one of the biggest profiters in everything. I mean, you lose a game, they keep everything, and there's also a VIG. So obviously, if you place a certain bet, they're going to take some sort of percentage, whether at 0.1%, 0.2%, it doesn't matter what it is, but some of the profits will essentially go back to the buyback. Not only will it go back to the burn, but it will go back to the staking income reward. So earn passive income right here, access reward instantly, and share the wealth. So the tokenomics are pretty simple. 20% will be going to the liquidity pool, obviously, to create a pair on decentralized exchange such as Uniswap. 20% will be going to staking reward. 40% will be going to the pre-sale. 10% will be going to the player reward. 5% will be going to affiliate, and 5% will be going to marketing. Safe and secure. TG.Casino does not require you to do any KYC verification to play or even connect your wallet. Simply fund your account and withdraw at any time. It's as easy as that. So it's kind of like Unibot. They give you the private seed. All you have to do is fund your account. And of course, if you want to withdraw that, I think you could either one, do it through the app, or two, you could export your private seed. So like I said, there's no KYC, no account setup. It's Web3, play with smartphone, all on Telegram. That is insane. I mean, the fact that you could do this all through Telegram, in my opinion, is insane. So crypto casino opportunity. Since 2017, the crypto casino market has grown rapidly to at the latest figure shown in the crypto casino market, and is now valued at $250 million. Guys, $250 million. This represents just 0.1% of the total casino market, which is currently valued at $263 billion, over $1 trillion. But research has shown crypto casinos are rapidly gaining market share from Web2 online casino due to the ease of access, no KYC, and ability to keep transaction off bank statement. Currently, 80% of online casino games are played on mobile devices, with the vast majority of crypto casinos specifically designed for mobile devices. TG.Casino takes this stage one further for being exclusive, available on Telegram, which has over 1 billion users and is forecasted to rise to 1.5 billion users in the next 3 to 5 years. So this is the graph right here. Global market casino, 263 billion. And of course, just a fraction of that is the crypto casino market. So obviously, crypto casinos have just gone big in the bear market. Really, no one really has heard about it in the market, in the last bull market. Imagine what happened in the next bull market. We're most likely going to see massive things happening. So the future is here, right here. Number of crypto bets, half one of 2022, half two of 2022, and half one of 2023. The recent explosion of popularity with crypto gambling is showing no sign of slowing down. So like I said, guys, in the last bull market, we haven't really seen any increase in crypto bets, and now we're seeing things increasing drastically, higher than ever, like I said a few seconds ago, and we could see that there is no sign of slowing down. So that is what is happening right now with TG.Casino. You could play roulette, you could play poker, you could everything, whatever you want. You could do crypto bets, and pretty much, that's about it. I mean, nothing too crazy overall to see over here. Things are looking great, things are looking awesome. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and peace out.